The sunshine is bright, a cloud turns gray, a storm approaches, the thunder roars, the lightning cuts the light. The fog is thick, the air is heavy, and the sight is lost. Big or small, long or short, high in the sky or low by the harbor gate. Wide is the sea, narrow is the path, deep is the feeling that I sometimes have, and that is good and bad. I think about the environment, I separate my waste, a feeling of care and emotion without doubt. My personality, my character, that is mine. With patience and courage, I live my life free. Big or small, long or short, high in the sky or low by the harbor gate. Oh, wide is the sea, narrow is the path, deep is the friend that I sometimes have, and that is good and bad. Tears of sadness or of happiness are real and precious. Nerves before a test, trust in a friend. These are the threads with which life binds. Thick is a boat, thin is a leaf, heavy in a storm, light is an idea, not flat. Much is too much, little is sometimes enough. All people search some find a quay. No road is perfect, another path is always there. A full heart, an empty house, in the silence or the violence. I search for the completely, the whole, the entirety. In the spectrum of words, I find myself part by part. From temperature to tears, from thunder to patience, from big to small, from young to old. Fulfill this is the measure of everything, the atmosphere of that began. I learn the degrees of life, step by